Hi and welcome to a Blender modeling tutorial for beginners. I added a key game asset to my Unity low poly game kit and I got two requests to show how to create such a key. So let's start Blender 2.8 and add a torus, and the number of segments are set to 6. Okay, looks quite interesting, and now comes the most tricky part. We have to cut a shape into the torus that we can extrude after that. So I add an edge loop first, and then I will use the knife tool by pressing the K key to cut into the mesh, and I press the C key afterwards to constrain the cut along the Z axis. Then I select this vertex and move it to the left, and I want to create a shape with 8 corners, so I need to move these two vertices upwards and downwards as well, but when I do this I get some problems with the edges on the right side. So what I do to avoid this is to symmetrize the mesh first. So I press F3 and search for symmetrize, and after that I move the vertices by pressing the S key followed by Z. Okay, now we created the shape to extrude. I select the faces and extrude them along the Y-axis. I press the E key to extrude parts and then S to scale. But as you can already see here, the faces are not straightly aligned along the Y-axis. And to fix this, just select them and press S, then Y and type in 0. Then they are straight and we can go ahead and move them along the Y-axis. Alright, but the other edges that we extruded aren't straight as well, so I use the same approach for all the edges and align them along the Y-axis. And to me this looks much better now. I also select these two vertices and move them a bit outwards. I press S and then X to do this. And I'm also not quite happy with the parts at the top. This looks a bit strange, so I select these vertices and press J to connect them. That's quite nice. Now I have to do this for the bottom as well. I symmetrize the model again, but this time for the Z axis. For the part here at the front, I select these faces, inset them by pressing the I key, and then I move them a bit in negative Y direction, press G and then the Y key for this. I think I will make this part a bit longer as well, like that. And then it's time to create, I think it's called the key bit, so I'm inserting 2 edge loops for this. We can also get rid of the camera because we don't need it. And then I go ahead in edit mode and inset these faces here. Scale them along the Z axis and then I move them a bit outwards, so I press G and X. Okay, and then I extrude this part by pressing the E key. And we are almost done. We need 2 more edge loops for this part. Very simple, but again I want them to be straight, so I select them and press S, X and type 0. Then I inset this small part and extrude it, and that's it basically. This is the mesh for the low poly key. Perhaps we can move this part here just a tiny bit to the front And in my opinion this looks pretty good and I'm happy with the result. So I will add this to my low poly game kit for Unity, but I will also upload the blend file to my Patreon account so that you can get it from there for free. You can use it as you like, and if you like my channel as well, then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching this, thanks for your support if you consider supporting me as my patron, and I'll see you on Jayanam.